Welcome to Learn and Draw. I am Anup Desai, working as lecturer, Mechanical Department, VUS Polytechnic. In this video, we learn to draw an example on projection of lines. So let's read the example. A line measuring 60 mm is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. The line is 40 mm in front of VP and the lower end of the line is 20 mm above HP and 25 mm from the right profile plane. So in this problem, as we know, the line is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP. So this is the type of example when the line will be parallel to two planes and perpendicular to one plane. That is, in this case, the line is parallel to VP and the line will be perpendicular to HP, and also the line will be parallel to the right profile plane. When the line is parallel to VP and perpendicular to the HP, the true length of the line is seen in the front view and a point can be seen from the top view. Now first let's draw an XY line of any convenient distance. So now here I will draw an XY line somewhere at any convenient distance. I will name this as X, Y, VP, HP. So because the line is lying in the first angle projection method, so we are writing VP above the XY line and HP below the XY line. So now let's solve the example. First let's draw a line which is 60 mm parallel to VP and perpendicular to the HP. So the lower end of the line is 20 mm above HP and the lower end of the line is 20 mm above HP and 25 mm from right profile plane. So let's draw this one. Lower end of the line 20 mm above HP. So here, as we know, let's mark a point. So this is the lower end of the line, okay, which will be 20 mm above HP. Next let's draw this line of length equal to 60 mm. So here we go, the length of the line is 60 mm. So I have drawn the line of length equal to 60 mm. So let's name this line as P dash and Q dash respectively. Next, also the line is 40 mm in front of VP. That is, let's draw a line which is 40 mm in front of VP. That is, let's mark the point 40 mm in front of VP. So this is 40 mm in front of VP. Next, one more thing is the line is 25 mm from right profile plane. Okay, so first let's draw the right profile plane, that is at a distance of 25 mm. So here I will measure the distance of 25 mm. Now let's draw the right profile plane. So next leave this as x1 and y1. Okay, so now using the protractor, so let's mark this as 45-degree line. So here we go. So this is the 45-degree line. Next let's draw this one. 45 degree, and this is the RPP, that is right profile plane. Now next is the last step, that is to draw the left side view on the right profile plane. Okay, so for this what we have to do is, let's draw a line, straight line like this from both ends of the front view. Next, with the help of the top view, let's meet this top view to the 45 degree line here and then extend it upwards. So now this will be the left side view, this is front view, and this is the top view. So let's name this point as P double dash and Q double dash. Next label this point as P dash bracket Q dash, since only one end of the point will be seen from the top view. Okay, so let's dark these lines and name the dimensions. After darkening the lines and naming the dimensions, this completes the problem. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos on engineering graphics and projection of lines, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw.